I'm just so excited to see all of you here. I wanted to spend just a few minutes reinforcing how important the Women's Leadership Council can be for our United Way and our community. We're really the rock stars of women's philanthropy, I'd like to say. And just adding on to what Jane just said about the first things that we've done, I remember the shoes and socks and underwear. We got a call and it was there's kids that in our elementary schools that don't have socks and underwear, and we looked around the room and said, not in our community, this will not stand. And we very quickly raised a lot of money to go ahead and purchase those essentials. And we said, hey, that was easy, and we made a really good impact. And so, hey, let's do it again, and hey, let's do it again. And I think we've kind of got our system down now. So the success is really based on women coming together on a cause, and for us it's children's success in the schools, which ultimately leads to increased graduation rates. We talk a lot about the importance of early education in our community, and I think we all understand that. But what happens when somebody's teeth are hurting them and they can't learn? What happens when they're wearing plastic bags for underwear? Do they really think that, how are they focused on what their teachers are trying to teach them? What if they're coming to school and they haven't eaten anything since Friday and it's Monday and they're starving? That kind of thing, those are things that we can help remedy in our community to make sure that we give every child in our community a chance at success. The Women's Leadership Councils nationally now have 50,000 women currently engaged through their local United Way and giving strategically to address long-term issues by focusing for multiple years on strategies that really move the needle. We know that United Ways that have Women's Leadership Councils typically see a 30% increase in giving in their community. And the number one reason that women give is because they want to give to a cause. Again, we give United Way for these more long-term and more global community issues. These are things that we can make a really short-term impact to help fulfill these long-term needs very quickly and see the results very quickly. We know that society has changed, and now the percentage of working wives are earning more than their working husbands, which would total of 26%. So we're making more money at home. You got a little closer to the microphone. More money. According to the 2010 Women Give study produced by Women's Philanthropy Institute, the Center on Philanthropy at the Indiana University, in nearly every income category of the study, which ranged from $23,000 to $103,000, women give more money than men. Depending on the income level, that increase in giving over men's giving ranged from 45% to 95%. We are the generous ones in our families. Again, this will not stand in our community, so it's the women who get together and say, this is what we're going to do, let's solve this. In 5 out of 6 levels, women are much more likely to give to causes we care about than men who are at the same income level, regardless of other demographics. So again, we pretty much rock. So, locally, we're just getting started with our WLC, so we need you to become involved. United Way is making a difference for so many of our families in our 6-county area, and we have an exciting challenge ahead of us for the cause that Debbie will share with us at the end of the day today. And we want to invite each of you to become a part of our efforts.